With all the introduction covered, now let's get into the fun part, the demonstration of what we are going to build exactly. We are going to build this awesome and beautiful product card UI. As you can see, it's awesome. Also, it's interactive. As you can see, you can click here and also you can click here. If you might want also, when you click here, as you can see, it's changing. Now it's 97. Have you ever heard of the saying that goes along the lines of looks are deceiving? That is true even in coding. As you can see, these are beautiful components and they look identical, of course, except the images. This is Nike and this is iPhone, but they look identical. Everything is the same. But when we get into the code, that's where the magic happen. That's where we differentiate amateurs from professionals. I'm going to teach you to write or create composable component in the professional way. So let's just get into the code and see how this has been structured. You will see that it has been structured the same way Chakra UI did it, the same way ShadCN did it, the same way Material UI did it, and also the same way Next UI did it. Let's just jump straight into it. So as you can see, this is my own page. And then in this page, okay, I'm just importing all my components here. And then from there, I've got two versions of the same code. Both of them, they are clean, but the other one, it has been pushed further. Okay, so let's take this one. This is a card component. There is always a wrapping parent, and then they are independent children. Okay, as you can see, you don't really see any relationship between the child and the parent, but behind the scene, these components, they are working together as one. This is flexible, clean, highly maintainable, and also highly scalable. This is what the employers are looking for. Let me just show you an example. If I want to maybe disable a certain component, instead of passing props which is visible true or visible false, I can just remove it. For instance, let's remove a image component from here and click save. Okay, let's go back and see. Go back here. As you can see, now the image component is gone. Let's do the same thing on the bottom one. As you can see here, here's the image component. Okay, let's go back here and see. The image component is gone. As you can see, nothing is breaking. This is clean, easy to understand. Somebody else might come and do exactly what we want to do. What if maybe we want to arrange components? Let's go to the bottom one. Let's take the item actions, okay, where you interact. Let's put it right on top of the description. Let's just click save and let's go to our browser and let's check. So as you can see, now this part is here and it's not here. Now let's talk about the code. So as you can see, guys, here I have implemented the compound component pattern. This is beautiful, clean, and I'm going to teach you to write code this way. So as you can see, there are many levels to it. As a beginner, I'm going to take you from step 1 up until you become a pro. Maybe at this point in time, you are not in this level. This is level 2 and this is the last one, which is level 3. Maybe you are somewhat here on level 1. On level 1, this is where you write everything in one module and you've got some styles and you've got some JavaScript logic. As you can see, guys, the more you write complex component, this is not scalable and this is not maintainable. If you write the code this way in this course, I am going to teach you and I'm going to hold your hand and take you to level 2. And level 2 will be to create a compound component, but with these dots method. This is much better and this is cleaner, but I am going to show you here there is a better way. And which one is that? This is the final one, this one. Exactly the same way as ShadCN, Material UI, and Chakra is doing it. I hope you are happy and you are excited. Let's just jump straight into it. One last thing, please guys, if this content is valuable and it's also helping you, please don't forget to just give me a positive review. See you on the next one. I am Matthew Singati. I am happy to have created this course. Thank you so much. Let's get started.